Um, let's start. Good morning, everybody, and welcome to the first day of this year's SwissText conference. I will give a brief overview of what's happening today on the workshop and shared task day. Something's weird with my slides. So
you probably have to unhide the slide, like right click and say it should not be hidden.
Okay, thank you.
Sure.
All right, workshops. So first workshop of the day is going to be the European language grid. This is a rather large project, multi-year project, which tries to enable multilingualism with technology and overcome language barriers, especially in Europe. And they will give an overview of the project and then introduce some pilot projects working with the European language grid. Then the second workshop, which has, please note the changed start time. It will start at 2 o'clock. It's about NLP efforts against COVID-19 in Switzerland by Fabio Rinaldi and Patrick Ruch. They will first give an overview of worldwide activities using NLP against COVID-19, and then focus on some specific efforts in Switzerland and present them in more detail. Then the third workshop, starting at 1:30, is going to be NLP in Finance by Hatem Gorbel. He will talk about the state of the art for NLP in finance, and his goal is to bring together experts from the fields of NLP, machine learning, data science, with people from the financial domain. And then we had 3 shared tasks, which were running before SwissText, and 2 of them will give a wrap-up of what happened, what kind of submissions there were, and so on. The first shared task is called Sentence End and Punctuation Prediction in Natural Language Generated Text. So this is about, for example, translation or transcription models who usually output generated text but without any punctuation. And the task was to predict the sentence end position and the correct punctuation mark. This will happen at 9:30. And the shared task was led by Don Tuckner and Ahmad Ibrahimian. And the second shared task is dealing with Swiss German speech and its translation and transcription to standard German text. This will happen at 11 a.m. This was by me and Lukas Neukomm and Manfred Vogel. And there will be 2 short presentations of the submissions we received and a general wrap up of the shared task. So that was the schedule for today. Now some general information. I hope you all received the Zoom links on this dedicated page. Please note that especially today there's going to be a different link per workshop and shared task. So you can't just stay, for example, in this meeting, you have to click the correct link for each workshop and shared task. Also, if you happen to have any technical problems, please go to Slack. There was a Slack invitation link in the information mail, and there's a dedicated channel tech support for these questions. There's also a general channel and the program announcements channel, so you don't miss anything. Also, the last point, today there's going to be the dry run for GatherTown. The GatherTown session is happening on Wednesday afternoon, and for everybody who would like to test this out, especially the presenters and the people who have a poster and so on, I think it would make sense to show up today in the afternoon at 4:30 and test this out, so you're sure it works on Wednesday. That's it from my side. Any questions? Please raise your hand. I don't see any questions. So thank you very much for participating in SwissText and already today at Monday, and yeah, have fun at the various workshops and shared tasks. Thanks.